Okay guys, so you missed it. Sorry. Someone accidentally turned the camera off when I handed it to him. Wonder who that was.
I broke my stick.
And she broke her stick.
Now I'm mad.
So I recorded about 5 minutes of fighting this big fish that broke my line, by the way.
Yeah.
And it's just not there because it wasn't recording. It was huge. It was like a 30-pound carp. I hooked a carp on a lure. This creek is so weird. I get catfish on things I shouldn't. I get carp on things I shouldn't. It's weird. It's crazy. Alright, well, I'm going to try and hand line some catfish if I can catch some bait. I have to restring the pole now. By the way, I didn't record on the way down because recording with a child sitting on your lap in a kayak is very difficult. And I just wasn't willing to try it. Didn't want us to go in. Okay, well, let me see what else I can catch. We'll see you guys in a minute. By the way, this is where we're at. Well, the line was moving. Oh, there it goes, there it goes.
Pull it in.
Nothing. I can see the bait though. By the way, we're using pepperonis as bait on this line just because I was curious. And I've gotten 2 hits now, so perhaps catfish really do like pepperoni.
So there's catfish in this lake.
Yes, there's catfish. It's not a lake, Jenny, it's a creek.
Oh yeah, so there's catfish here?
Yeah, there's catfish and giant freaking carp. I don't know if carp eat pepperoni. I guess we'll find out.
That's what you catch.
I'm gonna have to throw that further out again. Oh well, nothing right now. See, we're gonna record here. Hold that. I don't know what we got. Oh boy, he is a fighter. What do we have? What do we have? Man, it's a big one. Man, I should have brought my bigger pole.
But Dad, he might break your fishing line.
Nah, he might, but I set my drag, so that means he'll pull the line out. So. Oh, is that a cat? I think we got a catfish, you guys. I think we got a catfish on the spoon again. We do. That is a nice... Nope. It's a carp. It's a carp again, you guys. Smaller this time. Look at that thing. You see it?
Oh, they see it.
They see it? Oh, my. Look at this booger. Woo! Look at him. He's burning that reel off. Holy crap. Hey, Jenny, you got to aim the camera? Keep watching.
Is this where you are right here?
Just watch it. See? Yeah, you're good. You're good. We're just trying to get the fish up now. Of course, I got the other line in.
Oh!
There he is. Oh. Man, he's fighting good.
But that was the black stuff.
You gotta watch. What black stuff? I don't know. Hang on. We get him right to the surface and he freaks out. Oh, he's strong.
But if he breaks your line?
It'll be okay. I got more. Woohoo! He's a fighter, you guys. You want to fight a fun fish, get carp on super light line. Man.
Pull him.
I didn't expect to catch any carp. I forgot my knife, by the way. Yeah, crazy me. I always have a knife, and I forgot my knife. We're trying to wear him out. Jenny, pay attention. You gotta keep aiming the camera. There he goes. He is strong. Man, he's strong. This isn't even half the size of the other one I hooked. That did break my line.
Maybe this one won't.
Well, I set my drag better this time, so hopefully he doesn't. We just got to make him tired. Oh, we got him coming up. Pay attention with the camera.
I hate this.
Sorry, we have a 6-year-old running the camera. I didn't have a better option.
I hate this.
Why?
Because it scared me.
It's not scary. It's fun.
No, it scared me.
There he is, there he is, there he is. Come on, just come in to shore, come in to shore.
I'm going to back up.
Okay, you just keep that camera pointed at the fish. Make sure your finger doesn't cover it. Woo!
Oh, he got me wet.
He got everything wet.
He gonna get your camera wet.
Keep watching.
That's fine, a big fish.
Yeah, big fish. Nice fish. Carp. I'm not a big carp fisherman, but...
There he is. I see him on the camera.
Come on.
That's
Man,
it, boy.
brought heavier tackle.
That's it, boy. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, boy. He looks like...
You got the best commentary in the world, Janie.
Oh, you got him.
No, not yet. I'm getting him. Keep watching. Watch that camera screen so you can see what... Woo! There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Come on, fishy, fishy.
Fishy, fishy. Come on. Come on, Dad. You can do it. I know you can do...
He's still strong.
Daddy,
It's okay.
just get in the water and grab him.
Nah, he's too strong and slippery.
Come on, boy.
Ooh, there he goes again. See?
He's mean.
Watch you with the camera.
He's mean.
Getting a 6-year-old to film is insane. Keep
Oh,
watching through the screen.
he's mean,
I
right?
might get him this time. I might get him. I might. Ooh, I had a hold of him. Janie, camera.
It scared me. I didn't want to get your camera wet.
It's okay. It's waterproof.
That's
Water resistant.
that's why I didn't want.
And he's a fighter.
Yep, he's a big fighter.
I can get him in easy with my big pole, but
You got a little pole.
yeah, with this little line. Come on. Come on.
He's a meaner.
He's a fighter.
And mean.
No, he's not mean. He's just carp. Carp aren't mean. I cannot believe I caught carp on this. Janie, hands. You're in front of the camera. Your fingers are in front of it. I'm not trying to be mean to her. Don't worry, guys. I'm just trying to get this fish.
I see
Come on.
it.
Man,
Yeah.
every time I get a hand on them,
What did they do?
they take off.
No.
Really slimy. They're hard to get a hold of.
So they don't like getting grabbed?
No, they don't like getting grabbed.
Grab him by the... Oh my gosh.
Come on.
I am not going to be happy.
Janie, it's okay.
We have to take it home.
Why do we have to take it home? I don't eat carp. They're full of bones. They taste like mud.
Ew. Okay. I need to move my hair out of my face.
Your hand's covering the lens again.
What lens?
The camera. They don't want to see your fingers. Of course, people are probably going to be laughing at this one.
Oh, he's... Okay, grab him one more time.
Come on,
Come on, you stupid fish.
Janie. Don't say that.
Oh, he's being mean.
Man, he's slimy. I don't want to put my hand into the hook. Ah, we got him. Look.
Yeah.
Camera, Janie. We got him. Beached. All right, give it here.
Here you go.
Woo, I got slime on my hands. Whoops, I dropped my pole. Hang on, guys. There we go. One big carp on a spoon. And this time, somewhere, I did bring my pliers for sure. Got him.
Oh, his mouth is dark.
His mouth is dark.
Inside.
It's full of sand. Alrighty, let's get him back in the water. Once we get this hook out. Oh, he's grunting at me. I can't even see the hook. This is really hard to do one-handed, guys. There we go, the hook's out. One big old trash fish. And he's gone. That was awesome. Hopefully you got to actually see something and she didn't just record her fingers the whole time, but I think you guys will appreciate it anyhow. Do you like it? That was a big fish. Woohoo! That was a good fighting fish. The other one was twice that size, and he broke the line with no problem. He took off like that one was doing, just wham, and popped it. It was crazy. Okay, I'm gonna keep fishing, see what we can catch. See you guys in a bit. Okay, we haven't got anything. I've thrown that back in a few times. I've got 2 bites on it, but not a whole lot. So we're gonna head back. She's getting tired. It's hard to film with kids, but it's fun. So I think that's it for right now, and we'll see what else I get done today. Because I can see it in her face. She's getting sleepy. She'll be asleep in the truck. Hopefully she doesn't try and fall asleep on the way back up, because we got to get out and drag it. It's a process. Okay, we'll see you guys. We'll see what happens. All right, we'll see you guys. Have a good one. You want to say bye? No, she's tired. There's some benefits. There's some benefits with your kids being with you. They can pull the boat. And they want to. Because I guess that's fun. She wants to prove how strong she is. I think you need to go that way. Over there, towards the deeper, where the water's at. Of course, I'm being nice and telling her where the water will make it easier on her. Child labor, you guys. It's the way of the future. No, that's a joke, and I know it's kind of... Don't be offended by that. I get it. Look at all the little tiny fishes. I love this area. Keep going. I told her to put her shoes on. She didn't want to. So, I'm watching for glass and stuff. Huh? Yeah, the highway's up there. That's where we're going. Back to the truck. Sorry about how loud she was with the fish fight. She was just excited. Tons of little fishes. It's a nice day. It's only, I don't think the high today is even supposed to break 80. It's like 70 something. You got it? Pull, pull, pull. You need help? Nope. You don't want no help. Would you pee? No. Oh, what a great day. Oh my. We saw some deer. The camera was put away. Look at this area though. Just tucked away back in the corners of Indiana. Just got nowhere to go. I get tired of... I mean, national parks are nice and stuff. They got some cool stuff, but I like to check out these areas. We'll go that way. You can't do the waterfall. Not sure that's what I would call it. No, you can make it. No? I guess I'm going to have to hop off and do it. Okay, guys. We'll see you later. Alrighty. We're back at the truck. Actually, ouch! Sharp, pokey thing. So we're back at the truck, which is full of junk. And, boy, she's not much help when it comes to loading this. She just sits in there in the AC. Look at those beautiful flowers over there. Yeah, not a park or anything. Just a little pull off in the middle of nowhere. It's great. I don't have anything against national parks, by the way. I think it might come off that way if you guys see that part. But I'm gonna have to do this 2 hands. Anyhow, I just like to go out and have fun. So anywhere is good. By the way, you guys ever tried Zima? This stuff, I hate it. I can't stand it. Actually, I only drank one of those. Someone else drank the others. I'm taking that to a friend of mine because they love it. That stuff, if you like it, dude, ugh, too sweet. Alright. Well, I guess I'm going to sign off on this one. And maybe I'll see what happens this evening. See you guys later. Have a good one.